Respected Dr. Arju Rana Deva, the chairperson of the School Management Committee, Chief Guest, Professor Dr. Suresh Raj Sharma, distinguished guest, parents, students, and my fellow colleagues. I've got the most delightful job that I got for this evening to introduce our commencement speaker, Dr. Kamal Lamichhane. Dr. Kamal Lamichhane is the Associate Professor at the University of Tsukuba, Japan. He is also a visiting scholar at the JICA Research Institute and affiliated researcher at the University of Tokyo. His fields of research are disability studies, economics of education, inclusive education, education policy and disability, and disaster risk reduction. Dr. Lamichhane didn't see a school until he turned 12, just because he was born visually impaired. Even with a late start, the fire in his belly to get an education gave him an extraordinary success in his life that he became the first visually impaired Nepalese to get a doctorate degree, which he earned from University of Tokyo on advanced interdisciplinary studies. He is an author of the book Disability, Education and Employment in Developing Countries, From Charity to Investment, published by Cambridge University Press, which received the Japan Society for International Development Incentive Award in 2016. He has written several peer-reviewed articles on disability, education, and received grants to study disability and economy globally. He has given lectures around the world, including United Nations, and earned respect and recognition from some of the world's most noted scholars. He is a Nepalese citizen who our country should be very proud of. Dr. Lamichhane regards his life so far being split into 3 stages: a life of darkness, a life filling with brightness, and a wonderful life filled with light and opportunity. Such experiences have enabled him to view the world from 3 different perspectives: a child in isolation, a child transformed himself through education, and the adult living fully in the world. We are very privileged to have Dr. Kamal Lamichhane as our commencement speaker today, who flew to Kathmandu all the way from Japan just to attend this event. Thank you, Dr. Lamichhane, for being with us this evening. Now I welcome you to the stage.